I want to say thank you to the Institute, to Sarah, to Francois, to everyone who's widened our world. For years since I retired, and I'm a happily retired person, I've been coming to every sort of lectures and topics I knew, topics I didn't know, and it all widened my life and enriched my life. So all I want to say is thank you, Yishar Koach, and for many more years of the best.
Thank you. A very enjoyable talk about a theme I knew relatively little about. Familiar with the sort of same kind of thing in pre-war Poland from historical interest, but good to hear about it, how it looked like in neighbouring countries, and how it involved the Jewish community. It's just such an people say, it's a historic thing to look back at the past, which fascinates me in its own right, but it also has got pertinent lessons for us today.
Fantastic, I enjoyed very much. It was very interesting. I had no idea. I always thought that Litvak Jews that I come from, my family came from Latvia, and I always thought those people had their nose in the Torah all day, but there was a whole little Paris street scene which I had no idea about. It was really very interesting.
Very impressive. She covered the subject with great interest and love for the subject. She spoke well, and she did succeed in giving us a feeling of what it was like.
This evening's talk by Amy was thoroughly enjoyable, really very different to any other talk we've had over the previous months. Really enjoyed it. The food and drink was phenomenal, lovely atmosphere, and a really nice evening. The lectures online. It's a really lovely organisation. It's free. You can give donations. Thoroughly recommend it. There's no downside. Lovely.
Thank you.